This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing both devices. Charge the watch to at least 50% and power it on, because pairing needs stable power. On your iPhone, install the Samsung Galaxy Watch app and enable Bluetooth and location. This lets the app discover the watch. Once done, open the app and tap Start or Pair. Make sure the watch shows the pairing screen. You do this first to create the secure Bluetooth channel the rest of the setup relies on. Now continue by selecting the Galaxy Watch 7 in the app list, because choosing the correct model ensures compatible settings. When a numeric code appears, confirm it on both the watch and iPhone to verify the connection, and then accept required permissions so notifications and health data flow correctly. Next, sign into your Samsung account or create one. This syncs watch settings and apps. Make sure to follow on-screen steps. The app will explain data syncing and optional features as you proceed. Finish by customizing watch faces, enabling notifications, and granting health permissions so the watch functions fully with your iPhone. If the app prompts for software updates, install them now and then restart both devices. Updates often fix connectivity issues. Once your settings sync, test calls and notifications to confirm. If pairing fails, try this single troubleshooting tip. Turn Bluetooth off and on, restart both the watch and iPhone.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.